From a massive Dogecoin announcement coming from the developers to the major businesses accepting it to all the latest updates and data, this is going to be a very important video. So let's talk about it. So first of all, we are now seeing that the recent rally in the crypto market has slowed down a little. However, we can see here that Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others are trading in the green. So it means that there is a slight delay and we can expect another leg up in the coming days. Besides, there is no downtrend here, and we can see here that Dogecoin, Cardano, and others have managed to sustain their price levels. Meanwhile, it appears that it is now highly likely that crypto prices are going for another rally from here. One of the reasons for it is that investors have now turned bullish on the crypto market. We can see here that the crypto fear and greed index has now jumped to the 51 level during the last 24 hours. This means that the overall market sentiment has now turned positive and all the fear and uncertainty among investors has now faded away. And now coming to the big update for Dogecoin, it has recently been revealed that the work on the Doge and Ethereum bridge is underway. As per a recent tweet by Oscar Ginsberg, one of the developers on this project, the team is currently working on the Doge and Ethereum bridge, and it is going to be completed soon. Although he doesn't reveal more information on this project, it is still big enough for Doge holders and supporters since now they know that the work on this bridge is in progress. And it is happening, and it is actually going to be released anytime in the near future. Now we know that Dogecoin co-founder Billy Markus said in October 2021 that an Ethereum bridge to the Doge network can enhance the overall Dogecoin ecosystem. He also said that markets for NFTs would benefit Dogecoin if this bridge is accomplished. Two things he believes would help Dogecoin are the completion of Doge to Ethereum bridge and NFT platforms like OpenSea allowing for the Doge and ETH token to be used for purchases. And the key thing to note here is that Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin is also assisting in the development of this upcoming bridge. Buterin had previously stated that Doge can migrate to proof-of-stake soon using Ethereum technology. In June 2021, Buterin also talked about potential cooperation between Ethereum and Dogecoin. He said that if Doge wants to somehow bridge to Ethereum, and then people can trade Doge thousands of times a second inside of Loopring, then that would be amazing. He thinks that if we can have a secure Doge to Ethereum bridge, that would be amazing. And then when ETH gets any scalability that works for its assets, you would be able to trade wrapped Doge with very low transaction fees and very high speed as well. Now for those who don't know about this Dogecoin and Ethereum bridge and its importance, let's establish what it is. So this bridge will enable investors to transfer Doge from the Dogecoin blockchain to the Ethereum blockchain, where they will be converted into Doge tokens. And this will be an important development since these tokens will be able to be used on a variety of exchanges, such as decentralized finance, before being transferred back to the blockchain as Doge tokens via this bridge. And since this bridge will enable the execution of substantially more Doge transactions per second than was previously possible, it is evident that this will bring Doge to mainstream adoption. Moreover, we already know that Doge has the lowest transaction costs. So I think if coupled with the Doge and Ethereum bridge, it will have the most lower transaction costs, which will definitely help in its mass adoption. Besides, I think that Buterin's active involvement in this will be beneficial in and of itself. This is because he has proven his skills with what he has achieved with ETH, so I think he can do wonders for Doge as well. And since we have seen this latest update from the Doge developer, it now makes it clear that this bridge is happening. There were some speculations that this project was sidelined, but this latest update has mitigated all the doubts. All in all, the Doge to Ethereum bridge is looking a promising project for Doge since it is aiming to substantially increase its adoption. And with this rise in adoption, its price is also expected to surge massively over the long term. And talking about its rising adoption, we are already seeing that more and more businesses have started to show interest in Dogecoin. So Digital.com recently surveyed 1,000 US business owners to see what their plans were for implementing crypto payments, and they found that nearly 1 in 3 firms say they plan to work with Dogecoin in the near future. Moreover, more than 1 in 4 business owners surveyed said they plan to accept crypto payments at their business in 2022. 10% said they plan to start accepting crypto in 2023, 18% say sometime in the next 2 to 5 years, and just 6% say they plan to in more than 5 years. We can see here that of those surveyed who either plan to or already do accept crypto, 83% say they will accept Bitcoin, 42% say they will accept Ethereum, 29% will accept Dogecoin, and 15% will accept Binance Coin. So what we are now seeing is that more and more businesses are now greatly interested in accepting Dogecoin payments. This just shows us that despite its beginning as a joke, Dogecoin has become a legitimate investment and is one of the top cryptos business owners plan to work with. So this is just more and more confirmation that its adoption is going to surge massively in the future, and as I said, this rise in adoption is going to help its price move to the upside. And now, let's come to its current price movements. So we can see here that Doge has been trading in the green during the last 24 hours, and the best part is that it is still moving above the 13 cents price level. We can see here that it has been trading above its crucial moving averages, including the 20-day and 50-day simple moving averages. So this means that Doge is now gaining support around this level. Besides, its MACD level is also sitting in the bullish territory, which means that the overall market sentiment is pretty bullish. Moreover, its daily RSI value is also in the neutral zone, and it is showing us that Doge is currently providing a great buying opportunity to its investors. So the overall outlook is pretty amazing for Dogecoin. I think we can now expect it to break past the resistance level around 14 to 15 cents in the coming days. And with that being said, let's come to Bitcoin for a minute. So Bitcoin started a fresh increase above the 44K resistance level during the last 24 hours. Overall, Bitcoin is showing positive signs and might even surge above 45K in the following trading session. While it is already moving above its important moving averages, its daily RSI value is also showing bullish signs. So if Bitcoin manages a successful break and close above the 45K level, it might spark sharp gains. And in the stated case, the price might rise towards the 4 to 6 level. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's price is continuing to print gains for the third straight session. The price opened lower but recovered to test the session's high, and the current price action suggests that bulls will continue to dominate the trend. So what it means is that an acceptance above 45.5K will open the gates for further higher levels. While the first immediate upside target is placed at 48K, a resurgence in the buying pressure will push Bitcoin toward 52K. Now another very bullish thing for Bitcoin is that statistics show that the number of addresses holding Bitcoin has surpassed 40 million addresses. Metrics from the analytics web portal Untitled is now showing that addresses that hold any fraction of Bitcoin tapped a 30-day high on March 24, reaching 40.2 million addresses. Untitled said that this is for the first time that the number of addresses holding Bitcoin has surpassed 40 million. So this is really bullish news for Bitcoin, as it is clearly pointing toward growing interest and adoption for Bitcoin. Another massive news for Bitcoin is that a major firm is now reportedly taking part in the Bitcoin mining process. So as per a recent report from Bloomberg author Noreen S. Malik, the largest American oil and gas corporation Exxon Mobil is now participating in piloting a Bitcoin mining project with excess gas. Malik's report says that Exxon Mobil's pilot is taking place at an oil pad located near the Bakken Shale Basin, and the Bitcoin mining servers used in the pilot program are operating on site. So this is positive news, since a major firm is now participating in Bitcoin mining, and this can lead to a massive inflow of investment in Bitcoin. And now, let's come to Ethereum for a minute. So ETH is now trading above the 3.1K price level, and it appears that it is in the bullish trend zone and is capable of further upward movement. This is because its RSI value is giving some bullish signals, and it appears that ETH is now in a massive accumulation zone. Additionally, new data has surfaced which indicates a huge move may be awaited in the upcoming days. As per the data from Sentiment, Ethereum whales have been accumulating the asset largely for the past year. Nearly 10 top whales now hold 4.3% of the entire supply of the ETH tokens that they have been doing so for a long time, and it is currently very close to 5-year high levels. So this may signal that an immense whale action may be fast approaching, and it appears that a huge rally for ETH may happen very soon. And now coming back to Dogecoin, we have just seen that its bridge with Ethereum is in the works. As I explained, this project is expected to rapidly rise Dogecoin's adoption along with its price. And that concludes today's discussion. Keep an eye out for more crypto news, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments section.